Okay, folks, today we are going to work on how to multiply with scientific notation. Okay? Generally speaking, we think of three different steps for this. Our first step is going to be to rewrite the problem to group the coefficients and the exponents together. Okay, so it looks like this. If I have this as my example, 1.5 times 10 to the third power times 7.3 times 10 to the second power. Okay, what I would do is I would rewrite this so that 1.5 is times 7.3 in one set of parentheses, and 10.3 is multiplied by 10.2 in a separate set of parentheses. Okay, so it would look like this. 1.5 times 7.3 times 10.3, or 10 with exponent 3, 10 to the third, times 10 squared. Okay? So I'm just rewriting them and grouping them in a different way. All right? That would be step 1. Step 2 is going to be actually multiplying through and coming up with the answer that is inside of each one of these. So if I take 1.5 times 7.3, I end up with 10.95. And when you are multiplying the powers of 10, 10 to the third and 10 squared, you end up actually adding your exponent. So this will be 10 to the fifth. Okay, so all I did was multiply my coefficients here and add my exponents for here. The next thing is to convert this answer into scientific notation. So I basically just drop my parentheses that are here and here, and I rewrite it. So it's going to be 10.95 times 10 to the fifth. Okay, and that looks like it should be your final answer, and that really is the true last step of multiplying with scientific notation. However, if we're going to follow the rules of scientific notation, those rules state that you can only have one number in front of the decimal point. So we have to move this decimal point over a spot, which makes our coefficient a smaller number. And when we decrease this number, we have to increase the exponent. Since I moved this over one spot, I'm going to increase my exponent by 1. So my true answer, written in scientific notation, is going to be 1.095 times 10 to the 6th. And there you go.